Hello everyone. Students, all of you know that air is present everywhere. Air is odorless, colorless, and it is tasteless. Also, we cannot see the air, but we can feel the presence of air. So, here today we are going to perform one science activity, and in this activity we will prove that air is present everywhere. So how we will prove this, that air is present everywhere? So to prove this, we will make one Phirki, which is also known as wind fan. I know many of you have made it in your childhood. When you were in class 2, that time I have made it for you. I hope you remember this thing. So let us start our activity. So to do this activity, we need very simple things. This kind of page, only one page you are required, and scissor and gum. And if you want, you can take some cotton also. Okay. Now see what to do. At first, you will take this paper and fold it in this way from these two portions in this way. Join this one. So if you join this one, you will see that some extra paper is coming in this side. Extra paper. This one is the extra, so you will cut it. Anyhow, you will cut it. This portion. As well as in this side also you are getting some extra portion. So this portion also you will fold and you will cut it. Okay. If you want, you can tear it also in this way. You will just simply tear it. So after cutting from the both sides, we have got such kind of one paper. Now we will fold this paper again from the middle. Okay. Now this kind of paper you will get. Now from here, here and here, and from here, this four side you will cut it down.
Now this is here.
Okay students, so see, I have cut down the paper in this way from four side, and in the middle also I have made one hole. Now you will take one stick. If there is no stick, I have taken one pen in this way. You see? Now what to do? We will put this portion inside in this way. Then leave one side, leaving this side and taking this side inside. Again leaving this side and taking this side. Again leaving this side and taking this side. Now you can see you have got such kind of a shape. This is known as Phirki. Now what to do? To prevent the falling of this Phirki from this stick, we have to put some obstacle here and here also, and inside also you can put some thing. Okay students, now see, our firki is ready and you can see that it is moving. You can see that it is moving. It means that air is present. Here also air is present, which we cannot see, but it is present. And if you put it in front of some fan, then it will start to move in a high speed also. So today in this activity I have made one firki. In my next video also again I will make another firki. Wait for the next firki or the next science activity. And it is working. That means it is moving. And by its movement we can say that air is present. If there were no wind, no air, then it will not move. So to do this activity means to move this firki properly, what to do? You will do some work, that is you will keep some obstruction at the starting as well as at the end, so that it cannot come out. Okay, you can put in this way by paper or by any bottle. You can keep some obstructions here and here also. And the paper what you will use, that if you take it some thick paper, then it will be much better. And one thing that you just observe, sometimes what happen, that these sides, these two sides and these two sides just they are just attached with each other. That's why they cannot move properly. So in this case what you will do, you will take one scissor and you will cut it from here, so that there may be little gapping between these sides, so it will move properly. Okay students, so all of you will make one such kind of firki and you will post it in the next day and in the same time. Okay students, so for today, tata and bye bye.